Welcome to the next session. In today's session, we will discuss the questions with explanation of the chapter linear equations in two variables of worksheet number 3. So the first question is the pair of equations 3x plus 4y is equals to 18 and 4x plus 16 by 3y is equals to 24 has infinite, unique, no solution or cannot say anything. These are the options. So this question, if you see there are two equations here, okay, you know a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. So this is similar to question 2. You can see that and do it. Okay. So the next question is if the pair of equations 2x plus 3y is equals to 7 and kx plus 9 by 2y is equals to 12 have no solution, then the value of k is 2 by 3 minus 3, 3, 3 by 2. So here if you observe, we are having two equations and the condition given is no solution. We have to find out the value of k. So for no solution, I know my condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So we'll make this equation in standard form. How to make it in standard form? It should be the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. But on RHS we have 7. So we'll send this 7 this side. So it will become 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. Similarly here we have to make it in the standard form. So we send plus 12 that side. It becomes minus 12 is equals to 0. Now it is in the standard form. Both of them are in standard form. Okay. So what is a1? 2. What is b1? 3. What is c1? Minus 7. a2 is k. The value coefficient of x here is k. So a2 is equals to k. b2 is equals to 9 by 2. I forgot to write here y. Here y should come. Minus c2 is minus 12. Okay. So substitute in the equation. a1 by a2. Here also this should be equal to. It is not equal to. Sorry. a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. So what is a1 by a2? 2 by k is equals to 3 by 9 by 2. Cross multiply. 2 into 9 by 2 is equals to 3 into k. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So 9 is equals to 3k or k is equals to 9 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So k is equals to 3. Okay. So the next question is the equations x minus y is equals to 0.9 and 11 by x plus y is equals to 2 have the solution. X and y values you have to find out. Okay. So one more point here is here it should be 3.2 the value of x and here it should be 2.3 the value of y. Okay, by mistaken it is written as comma. So here if you observe that this equation, second equation, it is not in standard form. We are having 11 by x plus y is equals to 2. So we have to make it in standard form. So 11 by x plus y is equals to 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Cross multiply 11 into 1 is 11 and 2 belongs to x as well as y. So 2 into open bracket x plus y close bracket. So 11 is equals to 2 into x is 2x, 2 into y is 2y. So 2x plus 2y on rearranging I'll get 2x plus 2y is equals to 11. And here my first equation is if you observe x minus y is equals to 0.9. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll use the method of substitution. I got my second equation, it is in the standard form. But here I'll keep equal to 11 this side only because I'm using the substitution method. What is my substitution method? There is anyone, I'll take y to that side. Okay. So we'll get the value of x. So this value of x I need to substitute in my second equation. This is my substitution method. So x is equals to 0.9y. If I substitute here, I'm getting 2 into 0.9 plus y plus 2y is equals to 11. 2 into 0.9 is 1.8. 2 into y is 2y plus 2y is equals to 11. 2y plus 2y is 4y. Okay, then 4y is equals to 11 plus 1.8 if it goes outside becomes minus 1.8. So 4y is equals to, if I subtract 11 can be written as 11.0 minus 1.8. Okay, this will become 0, this will become 0, then this will become 10 and this will become 10. So 10 minus 8 is 9 and 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9.2. So y is equals to 9.2 by 4. If I divide here, I'm getting 2.3. So y is equals to 2.3. So then I will substitute the value of y in first equation. So x is equals to 0.9 plus y, x is equals to 0.9 plus 2.3. 0.9 plus 2.3 is 3.2. So x is equals to 3.2. So x is 3.2 and y is 2.3. That is my, I guess, second equation. Okay, yeah, second equation, second option, sorry. Now moving to the next question. The next question is if bx plus ay is equals to a square plus b square and ax minus by is equals to 0, then the value of x minus y equals. So here if I observe, the first equation is bx plus ay is equals to a square plus b square and the second equation is ax minus by is equals to 0. So here observe the coefficients. Okay, the coefficient here is plus a and the coefficient here is minus b. I need to make both of them equal. Here I have plus, here I have minus. So easily if I add 1 and 2 I can cancel any one equation, but here I need to make them equal. A and B are not equal. So what I can do is this plus A I can multiply with B so that it becomes plus AB, and this minus B I can multiply with A so that it becomes minus AB. So plus AB here, minus AB here, both can be getting cancelled. If I multiply this whole first equation with B and the second equation with A, so that only I am doing. B into bx plus ay is equals to a square plus b square. B into b is b square x. B into a is aby is equals to b into a square plus b square is b into a square plus b square. So this is my third equation. Similarly, as I said, here it should be minus ab. Okay, already here we have made plus ab. Now here I have to make minus ab. So multiply this second equation with a. So a into ax minus by is equals to 0. A into ax is a square x minus a into by is minus aby is equals to 0. Now third equation, fourth equation. Since I need to cancel this plus aby and minus aby, I'll add third and fourth equation. So both are getting cancelled. If I add this, b square x plus a square x is equals to b square into a square plus b square plus 0 is b into a square plus b square only. So x I can take common here. X into b square plus a square is equals to b into a square plus b square. So x is equals to a square plus b square into b is there. And this is this side. This is into b square plus a square. If it goes outside, becomes divided by b square plus a square. So here also have a square plus b square. Here also have a square plus b square. So both will get cancelled. What am I left with? I'm left with x is equals to b. So substitute this value of x in any one equation. I'm substituting here in second equation. So a into b instead of x, I'm substituting b. A into b minus by is equals to 0, or ab minus by is equals to 0. Now since I need y, I'll take this minus by to that side, it will become plus by. Now here b, here also we have b, here also we have b, means both will get cancelled. So a is equals to y. So y is equals to a. So I need to find out from the question x minus y. So I'll substitute the value of x, that is b. Minus is there, I'll write minus, and then what is the value of y I got? A. So b minus a, which is my option B. Now moving to the next question. If 2x plus 3y is equals to 0 and 4x minus 3y is equals to 0, then we have to find out x plus y. Okay, similarly just now we found out x minus y. Now here I need to find out x plus y. How did we do? Find out the value of x, find out the value of y. Okay, by solving these two equations, then add them. See, here solve both the equations by adding them. Okay, here we can add. Why we can add? Because here the coefficients are same. Here I have plus 3 and here I have minus 3. Both we can get cancelled when I add both the equations. I'll get the value of x, that value of x, substitute in any one equation. You'll get the value of y, then add both x and y. Okay, that is the procedure. Okay, now next question is, if root ax minus root by is equals to b minus a and root bx minus root ay is equals to 0, then the value of x into y is. Okay, four options are given. So here we have root ax minus root by, okay, and here I have root bx minus root ay. Observe the coefficients again here. Either I can cancel these both. In both the cases, I need to subtract because here the signs are same. When the signs are different, we can add both the equations. But here the signs are same, so I should subtract both the equations. But for subtracting, the coefficients need to be equal. Are the coefficients of y equal? No. Here I have root b, here I have root a. The coefficients are not equal. So make the coefficients equal. How can I make the coefficients equal? If this root b I multiply with root a, I will get root minus root ab. And this root a, if I multiply with root b, again I'll get root ab. So then if I subtract, both the equations can get cancelled because here also I have root a b and here also I have root ab. So that only I am doing. The first equation I'm multiplying with root a, so that it becomes root ab. See here, root a into root a is a, x is there, x minus root a into root b is minus root ab, y is equals to, here also root a into b minus a is root a b minus a. Now here, since I want minus root ab, here also I am multiplying this with root b. So root b into root b is b, root b into root a is minus root ab, y is equals to 0 into root b. 0 into anything is 0, so I'll get 0 only here. So as I said, the signs are same. I'm subtracting both the equations, 3 minus 4. So ax minus root ab into y is equals to root a into b minus a plus bx minus root ab, y is equals to 0. Now very important condition for subtracting is that whenever we subtract, the sign should be changed. So since I have plus, nothing is there means the sign is plus. So this plus will become minus and this minus will become plus. Similarly, I have plus here, so this plus will become minus. Okay, so ax, and always see the new sign which you have changed. Okay, so this plus is becoming minus now. So ax minus bx is equals to, here also see the new sign. Since they have become minus 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 plus, we can cancel as both are same, root ab root ab. Now here root a into b minus a, minus 0 is root a into b minus a only. So root a into b minus a. Now here also I can take x common because I got ax minus bx. So if I take x common, I'm left with a minus b is equals to root a into b minus a. So x is equals to this, as it is root a into b minus a. This into a minus b, if it goes outside, it comes in the denominator. So x is equals to, here I have b minus a, but here I have a minus b. Are both of them same? No, both of them are not same. Okay, since b is first here a is first. In subtraction, we know they are not same. Okay, if a plus sign would be there, then it would have been equal. But here minus is there, so they are not equal. How to make them equal? Take out minus common. So minus root a into minus b. Okay, here minus into minus is plus. Okay, so minus b, and here I have taken minus common now. So minus into plus is minus. Here I have taken minus common since I'm getting minus, since I'm writing minus here, because minus into minus is plus. And since I've taken minus here, here it will become plus 5 because minus into plus is minus. So here also I have minus b plus a, and this is a minus b is nothing but I can write it as minus b and plus a. So I'm writing a minus b as minus b plus a. Now both will get cancelled. So what am I left with? X is equals to minus root a. Now this value of x, again I'll substitute in any one equation, that is here I'm substituting in second equation. So b into minus root a y is equals to 0. Root a into root b is root ab, so minus root ab minus root ay is equals to 0. Minus root ab is equals to minus root a, if it goes outside becomes plus root a into y. So root a and root a will get cancelled here, so minus root b is equals to y. So I need the value of x into y from the question. So x is minus root a into y is minus root b. Then this dot is nothing but multiplication. So root a into root b is root ab. So minus into minus is plus. So xy is equals to root ab. Thus option C is my answer. So the next question is, solve the pair of equations 2 by x plus 3 by y is equals to 13, 5 by x minus 4 by y is equals to minus 2. Observe here I have 1 by x and here I have 1 by y. Similarly, in the second equation I have 1 by x, here I have minus 1 by y. Whenever I have in both, here also I have 1 by x, here also I have 1 by x, here also I have 1 by y, here also I have 1 by y. Always, how were the equations? The equations were 2x plus 3y is equals to something, but here I have 2 by x and here I have 3 by y. So I can assume this 1 by x as some a. Or here I am assuming as u. Okay. So this is for my first equation. This is my second equation. Here I am assuming 1 by x as u and here I am assuming 1 by y as b. So instead of 1 by x, what I will write in this equation? A. Instead of 1 by y, what I will write in this equation? V. So what will be the equation becomes? The equations becomes, instead of 1 by x, I am writing u now. So instead of 2 by x, it will become 2u. Plus, here I have 3 by y now. So 1 by y we are taking as v. So 3v is equals to 13. Similarly, here also 1 by x is u. So 5u minus 1 by y is v. So 4v is equals to minus 2. Now third and fourth equations we have. Okay. Now what are we doing? We are using the method of substitution and solving. Okay. So this is my third equation, fourth equation. From third equation, what do I have? 2u plus 3v is equals to 13. 2u is equals to, send this plus 3v that side. So minus 3v. Now u is equals to 13 minus 3v into 2, if it goes that side becomes divided by 2. Now substitute this value of u in the fourth equation. So 5u minus 4v is equals to minus 2. This is my fourth equation. So I'm substituting u. U is 13 minus 3v by 2. Okay, always remember in the method of substitution, any one variable you have to substitute in any other equation. Here, since I have taken u, I'll substituting in the fourth equation. So multiplying by 2 on both sides, I have as the denominator of 2 can be cancelled if I multiply by 2 on both sides. So that only I'm doing here. See, 2 into this I am multiplying with 2 and this I also am multiplying with 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled in the numerator and denominator. Okay, 2 and 2 is getting cancelled. So what is left? 13 into 5. In minus 5 into 3 v minus 2 4s are 8. Now this 2 belongs to both, right? Here in this fraction 2 is getting cancelled, but here 2 will be there. Okay, now 2 2s are 4 minus 4, so 13 5 is 65 minus 3 5s are 15 v is minus 8 v minus is equals to minus 4. So minus 15 v minus 8 v, variables on one side, v terms I'm bringing on one side, numbers I'm sending other side. So both are minus, means add 15 plus 8 is 23, so minus 23 v is equals to minus 69. And v is equals to minus 69 by minus 23. Minus minus will get cancelled. 23 ones are 23, 23 threes are 69. So v is equals to 3. Now I'm substituting v in any one equation. Here I'm substituting in third equation. So 2u plus 3 into 3 is equals to 13. 2u plus 3 3s are 9 is equals to 13. Now 2u is equals to 13 minus 9. 2u is equals to 4 or u is equals to 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. So I'm getting u is 2 and v is 3. Now substituting in that equation, we have assumed u is 1 by x now. So what is u? 2. 2 is equals to 1 by x. Cross multiply, 2 into x is equals to 1. Or x is equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, here also v is equals to 1 by y, or v we are assuming as we have found out v as 3. So 3 is equals to 1 by y. Cross multiply, 3 into y is equals to 1, or y is equals to 1 into 3. If it goes outside, becomes 1 by 3. So y is equals to 1 by 3. So I need x plus y here. So what is x plus y here? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Take the LCM of 2 and 3. I'll get 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 by 6 is option C.